Planning a trip to Mexico? Here's what you need to know. Mexico, a destination that dances to the rhythm of mariachi, enchants with its vibrant culture and captivates with its stunning landscapes. But to truly experience its charm, one must master the art of travel in Mexico. Knowing the right time to visit, the must-see attractions, the ins and outs of transportation, and the mouth-watering delights to try can transform your Mexican adventure into an unforgettable journey. So, let's dive into the heart of Mexico and begin our journey. When is the best time to visit Mexico? You might be surprised. The dry season, from November to May, offers sun-soaked days perfect for beach lounging and exploring ancient ruins. But don't discount the rainy season from June to October. Despite the rain, it's a time of lush landscapes, fewer tourists, and vibrant festivals. Each season unfolds a unique side of Mexico. So, no matter when you decide to visit, Mexico is always ready to welcome you with open arms. Mexico is a land of wonders. Here are some must-visit attractions. Let's start with the ancient Mayan ruins, a testament to a civilization that thrived long before ours. These historical sites, like Chichen Itza and Tulum, offer a fascinating peek into a past world. Next, we have the pristine beaches of Cancun, where turquoise waters meet powdery white sand. It's a paradise that lets you unwind and soak up the sun in a stunning setting. But Mexico is not just about history and beaches. The bustling city of Mexico City, with its vibrant street life and rich cultural scene, is a place you can't afford to miss. When in Mexico, drive northwest to the site of Teotihuacan, an ancient Mesoamerican city known today as the site of many of the most architecturally significant Mesoamerican pyramids built in the pre-Columbian Americas, namely the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. Last but not least, experience the traditional charm of Oaxaca. This town, known for its indigenous culture and colonial architecture, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Remember, every corner of Mexico has a story to tell, so don't be afraid to explore. Navigating Mexico doesn't have to be a challenge. Here's how to do it. Getting around this vibrant country offers a variety of options tailored to your preferences. For those who enjoy mingling with locals, public buses provide an authentic, budget-friendly experience. They run frequently and cover extensive routes, making them a reliable choice. However, do bear in mind that they can get quite crowded, especially during peak hours. Taxis are another popular choice. They're convenient and relatively inexpensive, but as in any country, it's crucial to ensure you're using a registered taxi service for your safety. If you prefer the freedom to explore at your own pace, consider renting a car. Mexico boasts well-maintained roads and highways, making for a smooth journey. However, remember to acquaint yourself with local driving customs to avoid any surprises. And of course, walking is always an option in Mexico's pedestrian-friendly city centers. With a bit of planning, getting around Mexico can be a breeze. Let's talk about the best part of any trip: food and drinks. Mexico is a paradise for food lovers, with an incredibly rich and diverse culinary scene. From the vibrant street food stalls to the sophisticated fine dining establishments, there's something for every palate. Begin your gastronomic journey with street food: tacos, tamales, churros. Oh my, these are not just meals, but a way of life. And don't forget to wash it all down with a local drink. A refreshing horchata or perhaps some pulque, an ancient beverage made from fermented agave sap. When it comes to fine dining, Mexico boasts a range of world-class restaurants serving innovative dishes that put a modern twist on traditional Mexican cuisine. And remember, in Mexico, dining is not just about the food. It's a social event, a time to relax and enjoy the company of friends and family. So, whether you're a foodie or not, Mexico's culinary scene is sure to delight your taste buds. Mexico is a vibrant, diverse country that's waiting to be explored. We've looked at the best times to visit, touched on must-see attractions, delved into transportation options, and even savored a taste of the local food, drink, and customs. All these tips and tricks are just a small part of the incredible journey that awaits you. So, pack your bags, get ready to explore, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of your Mexican adventure.